MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
You don't need to spend a fortune or own a garage mahal to make a safe and functional automotive workspace in your own home garage. Basic tools and equipment, along with some organization aids and a little common sense, will have you spinning wrenches at home in no time. A sturdy workbench will save your back when assembling things or cleaning parts, and a bench vise is that third hand you need for countless jobs around the car. Traditionally, the real, old DIY master in every neighborhood was the one who had the lift in their garage. Well, that's a dream for most of us, but realistically, there's not many jobs you can't do with a floor jack and 4 sturdy jack stands. Disclaimer here, never work under a car that's supported by only a floor jack. Ramps like these are great at making space under the car for a quick oil change or inspection, but you should always use a wheel chuck behind the down tire to keep the car from rolling down the ramp at the wrong time. An air compressor is useful, and not just for airing up tires. Running air tools like sanders, impact wrenches, grinders, and sandblasters, well, they require a large volume of compressed air. These days, though, battery-powered tools offer you great alternatives for most home users. Yep. Invest in a hose reel like this. For electrical cords, it can save you from coiling a cord every time and keep your hoses off the floor, out of grease, and it also removes a common tripping hazard. Task lighting is important if you want a well-lit room to work in, but also specialty lights like these make it easy to see inside those dark engine bays, undercar areas, and, well, magnetic lights, they're definitely a plus too. It's important to keep all automotive chemicals out of reach of children and pets. So wall cabinets or high shelves, they're a must. And here's another organization tip for you that I love. If you're working on a restoration project or something involving a lot of small parts, nuts and screws, bag and label everything and take before pictures before you disassemble a component so you can know where everything goes when it's time to reassemble. Dare to DIY. For most any job you want to do on your car, search online and chances are you will find user videos, owner forums, and discussions describing the exact task you want to accomplish. Have any questions or comments? Reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.